Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Darren. I have two new boxes of Star Wars High Tek that I got off of eBay. So it should be a pretty quick break, but let's get right into it. Alright, so we will do this one first. I'm going to, see some nice colors in there. Let's find our auto and put it on the bottom. There we go. Alright, so I've got Athano. I think I have that one already. Nice Boba Fett. Sorry, I played to the camera here. Got a Finn. Number 87. Snap Wexley. No numbered parallels yet, but I do see an orange on the bottom. Boba Fett. Nice Ray. This is numbered 5 of 25, Unkar Plutt. That might be a short print even. Very nice. It's a great hit. And 17 of 25, Steven Stanton as Grand Moff Tarkin. That's awesome. I do not have an autograph of his yet. Let's put that in there. 17 of 25. That's fantastic. All right, put that in the back. And let's see what our second one got us here. Let's see if I can pick the auto here. Where is it? There it is. Okay, put it on the bottom. All right, what we have? Bib Fortuna. Oh, well, two Bib Fortunas. Different backgrounds, though. Another Captain Athano. Was that the same background as the other one? Nope, different backgrounds. Good. Luminara and Dooley. Dr. Colonia. Aura Singh. There's a numbered parallel, 34 of 50 of Cadell Coconics. And our autograph is just a base auto of Anna Brewster as Bazine Nidal. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.